Careless.
The state coordinator, the camp director, the camp commandants, the camp officials, our distinguished senators and present. Good morning, people of Essex. I want to show you what we have. This is what we found. We found vegetable and water leaf. We call it edikaiko in our language, which is vegetable soup. We have a from soup. We have a pankukwa. We have a lot of things that nourishes our body. So I want to show you today. What are the other people are doing? We are going to demonstrate our culture of beauty through our dance. You can see them dancing very well. I want to show you how flexible our people are. I want to show you how beautiful we are. Imagine showing how welcoming we are in our land. Today we are here to tell you that we are welcoming. Watch at them, just look at them, how beautiful they are.
Okay, go back. Go back.
Two.